one is not small. When joined with others, it forms an army. When empowered with knowledge, this army becomes a force. A force that can overcome any obstacle. A force that makes any dream a reality. The world's largest democracy, India can be proud of that tag. Over 1 billion people are vested with the power to decide how they are governed and who governs them. Yet, even in this information age, a vast majority of Indians remain in the dark about their rights. The right to good health care, education, and a life of dignity. Without this awareness, government policies and legislature designed specifically to serve such communities often go unimplemented. In spite of laws being passed and policies being placed, their true effects don't always reach those who need it the most. In 2007, World Vision India decided to do just that when it launched a program called Citizen Voice and Action.
World Vision aims to empower the community by the service that we provide. Empowerment means we want community to stand on their own feet. We as an NGO, even if we are the service provider, but we want to enable community to know about the rights which will help them to tap various resources which are available from the government. Many people are there in the community who are not aware about the rights, also not aware about the resources which are available from the government side. And therefore, World Vision felt that it is important that we empower the community by introducing this effective tool which will enable people to know what are their rights and how can they claim their rights.
An integral part of this program is Community-Based Performance Monitoring or CBPM. CBPM is an integrated tool used by the people, for the people and instituted with the help of the people. Its aim to make service providers accountable for the effective rendition of essential public services. The core elements of World Vision's CBPM initiative to generate accountability amongst service providers are information, voice, and dialogue. The CBPM is an effort to empower citizens with crucial information on their fundamental rights and public policy. It ensures accountability in governance processes so that power is returned to those who matter, ordinary citizens. Today, World Vision India's CBPM program is functioning in 8 states and 20 districts across India. Trained facilitators go out into local communities to listen and learn about their most pressing concerns. They educate citizens about government structures, development programs, policies, and help mobilize them to take action. They give the citizens the tools to approach service providers and demand accountability through meaningful dialogue.
हमारे यहाँ पानी बहुत गंदगी थी, इतनी गंदगी है कि वो पानी पी आदमी बीमार पड़ जाते हैं।
कि अब धीरे धीरे सबको इकट्ठा करके पूरी बस्ती के अंदर हमने 5-5, 10-10 लेडीज़ को लेके अपनी प्रधान को लेके निकलते हैं। निकलने के बाद नाली सफाई करवाते हैं खड़े होकर। अगर वो खुद नहीं करती हैं, हम अपने आप भी तो किसी टाइम कूड़ा अपने हाथों से खुद निकाला।
World Vision's efforts to empower local communities has also helped many break through the shackles of tradition to achieve their full potential. Shehnaz is just such an example. Born and brought up in a conservative family, Shehnaz was expected to follow in the footsteps of other women in her family, learning to take care of her home and leaving other matters to the menfolk. But she dreamt of more. Shehnaz wanted to bring positive change to her community, a dream that World Vision has helped her fulfill. Empowering training sessions and workshops helped Shehnaz to gain confidence in herself. This enabled her to do what very few women from her community had done: start her own business. Slowly but surely, her business grew, thanks to support from her husband, family and community. With success came the resolve to do more for her people.
जो वर्ल्ड विजन के थ्रू हम लोगों को ट्रेनिंग मिली है, आज जैसे हम बुरखे में रहते हुए और आज बाहर निकले हैं, तो वो एक CBPM की ट्रेनिंग थी। जो CBPM की ट्रेनिंग हम लोगों को दी गई, उसके ज़रिए हम लोगों को पता चला कि हमारे अधिकार क्या है। क्योंकि अगर एक हम पेन भी खरीदते हैं ना, तो उसका भी टैक्स हम गवर्नमेंट को देते हैं। हम लोगों को पता चला है कि ITI लगा दो, उसके बाद में हमें सब जानकारी मिल जाएगी कि यहाँ पे कर्मचारी कितने हैं, काम करने कितने आ रहे हैं। सभी लोग से हमारी जान पहचान हो गई, तो हमारा कोई भी छोटा मोटा काम होता है तो वो सारा काम हमारा सॉल्व हो जाता है।
Today, Shehnaz has emerged as a strong voice, not just for women's rights, but for the whole community. She has helped institute nearly 125 self-help groups that benefit more than 500 families. Activities here include sewing, embroidery, and other small-scale industry workshops throughout the locality. Shehnaz has also prompted authorities to ensure the safety of young women from eve teasers.
शहनाज जी हमारे इलाके की सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता हैं और बड़ी ही मुखर हैं। ये समस्याओं को काफ़ी संजीदगी से लेती हैं। ये हमारे पास समस्या लेके आई थी कि लोकल जो बच्चे हैं हमारे स्कूलों में जाते हैं, ख़ासतौर से लड़कियां, उनके साथ ईव टीजिंग होती है रास्ते में। तो जैसे इन्होंने हमें बताया, हमने प्लेन क्लॉथ्स में अपने आदमी वहाँ पर लगाए। वीकली बाज़ार की भी इनकी समस्या थी कि वहाँ भी लड़कियों के साथ छेड़खानी होती है। मैंने वहाँ भी प्लेन क्लॉथ्स में अपने आदमी लगाए और मैं समझता हूँ वो समस्या काफ़ी दूर हो चुकी है वहाँ।
As she looks forward to a bright career in public service, she promises to carry forward the mission that World Vision helped her begin. Elsewhere, World Vision's Citizen Voice and Action initiatives have turned the fortunes of an entire village around. Dingar Hedi is home to Arif. Barely 25, he is a simple man eking out a basic existence like many in his village. Yet, he has become a hero in his community. With a little help from World Vision. In 2008, Arif attended a CBPM training camp where he came to know about the Right to Information Act enshrined in the Indian Constitution. Arif wasted no time in applying RTI to an issue that had long been unresolved. A critical road running through his village was in terrible condition. Broken stones and massive potholes made it virtually impossible to use. The contractor in charge could not be brought to book as villagers did not know how to hold him accountable. Empowered by the RTI Act, Arif demanded that the contractor finish what was started. It was not long before the village had a brand new, reinforced road that was now fully functional. But Arif didn't just stop there. Next, he used the RTI Act to bring electricity to nearly 24 families in the village whose homes were so far powerless. Every positive result bolstered Arif's resolve as an RTI activist. He has also inspired others in his community to join him.
हमारे गांव में वर्ल्ड विजन ने स्कूल के अंदर एक कमरा बनवाया, 4 दीवारी बनवाई और जी हमारे रोड बनवाए और नलके लगवाए। वर्ल्ड विजन ने हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ काम किया है, इससे बहुत प्रभाव पड़ा लोगों पर और अच्छे काम हो रहे हैं।
Today, they have collectively brought about great change to their villages, reviving the public distribution system in the area and bringing much needed water supply to an additional 14 to 15 families in the region. Arif is a torchbearer for World Vision's initiatives in the region, a crusader who has managed to re-energize society and uplift the community. Across the country, World Vision is sowing the seeds of empowerment in other underserved areas. In July 2009, a CBPM exercise was conducted in village Sajasen in the Garhwal region. The villagers had a critical complaint of a dysfunctional hand pump supplying the local school. The Village Education Committee, formed as a result of CBPM exercises, decided to take action and approach local governing bodies. Thus mobilized with awareness of their rights, the villagers of Sajasen relentlessly pursued the matter and were finally able to get their hand pump fixed. Today, the pump is functioning well and children no longer miss any classes. This is just one of the successes that the local community has had since then. World Vision has assisted the women of the region to become self-sufficient through the formation of self-help groups. Earlier, shy and underconfident of approaching government functionaries, today these empowered women have become agents of change for their society.
वर्ल्ड विजन द्वारा ITA जो हमें ट्रेनिंग मिली थी उसमें कई सारी सूचना संचार हमको दिया था, तो ITA के द्वारा हमें इतना जानकारी मिल गई कि हम ब्लॉक में जाके BDO साहब से अपना अधिकार चुन सकते हैं, DM से जाके DM से भी हम अपना अधिकार ले सकते हैं.
Armed with knowledge imparted by World Vision, these villagers have now formed an army of path breakers who are bringing a fresh wave of change, be it in health, sanitation, education or infrastructure.
वर्ल्ड विजन में जो हमने ट्रेनिंग ली थी वो उसमें हमें मिला था सूचना का अधिकार. वो सूचना के अधिकार को लेके हम आगे गए. हमारी स्कूलों में पानी का हैंडपंप नहीं था, शौचालय नहीं था, इसलिए ये हमने अपने माध्यम से इसको ठीक करवाया.
No longer powerless, they are now steering their own destiny. All these remarkable stories stand out because upliftment was not brought to a region from the outside. In fact, it was the local community, long been kept in the dark, that forged ahead when armed with knowledge. It is this self-sufficiency that is amongst World Vision India's greatest triumphs. Long after World Vision moves on to other communities that need its guidance, these empowered citizens will continue to speak up for their rights. These will lead to generations that can stand on their feet, fight their own fights and safeguard their own destinies. Because a community, once empowered with knowledge, is a strength to be reckoned with, now and forever.
Hote